Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Power off your phone and remove any case so you can access edges. Have the SIM eject tool or a 0.8 mm paperclip handy because force changes risk damage. Once done, inspect the phone frame for a tiny hole. This is usually the tray. Alternatively, some models use a removable back. Make sure you check which side before inserting anything, because pushing in the wrong place can bend the tray or harm internal components. You now locate and extract the SIM. Position the eject tool straight into the hole and press with steady, gentle force until the tray pops. If you feel resistance, stop. Confirm you are in the correct hole. Some phones hide the tray under a micro screw or under the back cover. For eSIM devices, open settings to confirm activation instead. Make sure to note tray markings showing orientation. Incorrect placement can bend pins, so take a moment to align the gold contacts as indicated. You finish by seating the SIM correctly. Place the card with gold contacts facing the phone and align any notch so it sits flush. Slide the tray back in gently until it clicks, then power on and wait for network registration. Check signal bars and mobile data. If the phone shows no service, make sure to reseat the SIM. Clean contacts with a dry microfiber cloth, test a different SIM to isolate the issue, and if needed, reset network settings or contact your carrier for provisioning help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.